In this video, I will show you how to create fireworks animation without any additional plugin in After Effects. First step, create a new solid layer. I will name it Firework 1. In the Effects and Presets search field, type CC Particle World. Then use the effect for solid layer. Activate the stopwatch on birth rate. In the next few frames, I increase the value to 2.5. Then create a new keyframe and lower the value to 0. Click the drop-down icon on Physics. For the gravity setting, change the value to 0.100. In Longlevity, I changed the value to 1.75. To change the color, go to the particle settings. For this first firework, I will select the custom option in the color map. To display a changeable color, set it via custom color map. To make the fireworks look glowing, we can add the glow effect. You can decide how bright the glow is on the fireworks. Here I set it from Glow Thereshold, Glow Radius, and Glow Intensity. To increase the number of fireworks, duplicate Firework 1. To make it look varied, change the duration, position, color, and some settings. You can duplicate the fireworks animation as needed. If you want to add a background, you just need to insert it at the bottom. To lower the light in the image, use the curve effect. You can also add firework sound effects to the project. and the result would look like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in another tutorial.